Unit 4 Fundamental Skills of Sports Football Notes and Summary from Grade 7 Subject Physical Education Book Khel Yatra. Introduction. Football is a popular team sport played between two teams of 11 players each. The main aim is to score goals by kicking the ball into the opponent's net. Players use their feet, head, chest and legs to control the ball. Only the goalkeeper is allowed to use hands inside the penalty area. Benefits of playing football: improves physical fitness, develops teamwork and cooperation, increases speed, balance and stamina, improves coordination and decision making. Football is played worldwide and major tournaments include the FIFA World Cup. Kicking the ball with the inside of the foot, meaning kicking with the inside of the foot is the most important football skill used for passing, shooting and controlling the ball. Steps: approach, stand facing the ball, place non-kicking foot beside the ball pointing toward target. Execution: swing kicking leg, lock ankle and turn toes outward. Strike center of the ball with inside of foot. Follow through. Kicking foot moves in direction of target. Importance: provides accuracy, keeps ball on the ground, helps in short and controlled passes. Receiving the ball by inside of the foot, meaning receiving or trapping using inside of foot helps to control the incoming ball. Steps: face the incoming ball, turn body slightly sideways, place receiving foot forward, cushion the ball by pulling foot slightly backward on contact. Importance: stops ball smoothly, keeps ball close for next action, prevents ball deflection. Passing the rolling ball, meaning passing a rolling ball means sending the moving ball accurately to a teammate. Steps: place non-kicking foot beside rolling ball, use inside of foot for controlled pass, strike ball at correct moment in stride, follow through toward target. Importance: maintains game flow, improves team coordination, helps quick ball movement. Step trapping, meaning step trapping is a method of stopping or controlling the ball using the foot. Steps: get behind line of incoming ball, bend knees for balance. If ball rolls, place foot on top to stop it. If ball bounces, extend foot and pull back to cushion. Importance: stops ball instantly, prepares ball for next move. Dribble, meaning dribbling means moving with the ball under control. Steps: bend knees slightly, keep ball close to feet, use inside and outside of both feet, give short gentle touches, keep head up to watch opponents. Importance: helps beat defenders, maintains possession, creates scoring chances. Feinting, meaning feinting is a fake movement to fool the defender. Steps: lower body posture, pretend to move in one direction, suddenly change direction, accelerate into open space. Importance: wrong foots defenders, create space to pass or shoot. Kicking the ball for accuracy, meaning accuracy kicking means hitting the ball to a specific target. Key factors: proper use of instep, good balance, focus on target, correct foot placement. Importance: improves scoring and passing precision. Passing the ball in the air, meaning an aerial pass sends the ball through the air to a teammate. Steps: align with ball path, strike lower half of ball with instep, swing leg smoothly, follow through forward. Importance: covers long distances, avoids ground defenders. Pass and move relay drill, meaning a practice drill combining passing, receiving and movement. Steps: short pass to teammate, receive return pass, make long pass forward, receiving player dribbles back. Importance: improves teamwork, builds passing accuracy and movement. Interception, meaning interception is a defensive skill to stop opponent's pass. Steps: stay alert and balanced, watch opponent's pass, Move quickly into ball path. Take control of intercepted ball. Importance: stops opponent attack. Quickly changes defense to offense. Front block tackling, meaning a front block tackle is used to win the ball from opponent safely. Steps: approach opponent carefully, bend knees, lean forward, block ball using inside of foot, maintain balance and regain position. Importance: prevents opponent dribbling, wins ball without foul. Goalkeeping, meaning goalkeeper is the only player who can use hands inside penalty area. Steps: stand with feet shoulder width apart, knees slightly bent, hands in W position, catch ball by forming basket with hands, bring ball close to body. Importance: protects goal, starts counter attacks. Five-a-side match, meaning a small-sided football game with 5 players per team. Steps: small field setup, short-timed matches, encourages more ball contact. Importance: improves quick passing, builds teamwork, increases enjoyment. Summary: football is a world famous team sport that develops physical fitness, coordination, teamwork, and strategy. This unit teaches fundamental football skills such as kicking, receiving, passing, dribbling, feinting, tackling, intercepting, and goalkeeping. Proper technique in each skill helps players control the ball, work as a team, and play safely. Small-sided matches like a five-a-side improve confidence and enjoyment. Learning these fundamental skills helps students become better football players and understand the spirit of sportsmanship. So friends, we have completed notes and summary of Unit 4, Fundamental Skills of Sports, Football. We will do all the question answers of this unit in a separate video. If you like the video, kindly like, hype the video and share it with your friends. Also subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to receive new video notifications. We will meet in the next video. Thank you for watching.